Are you thinking of doing a costume this spooky season that requires you to go and put a mustache on your face? Well, this is the tutorial for you. So, let's get started. You are going to start off with a stippling sponge. Put 2 separations that are above your upper lip that are very lightly stippled. Now move on to the bottom where your chin is, and get all of where your chin is at the bottom, and then branch out slightly. Now to a darker brown cosmetic. Create lines with a paintbrush with a darker brown cosmetic. These are going to look like little tiny hairs, and you're going to want to put these all the way up to the sides along with the middle of where your lip is. Make sure to get the sides, and also get the top as well. Start off at the bottom and move up towards the top. Now back to the stippling brush with a darker brown that you're going to go and stipple on top of where you put all the lines. Back to some lighter lines, make sure to blend it, and then onto the eyebrows. To make your eyebrows look fluffy, you're going to do the same thing that you did with going and creating the beard hair, which is just creating a bunch of lines throughout where your eyebrows are, along with also extending it at the sides. Make sure to add lighter and darker brown. And after you're done, your fake beard should look like this. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I am posting 31 days of Halloween and SFX makeup, and I hope to see you there.